I'm Mackensi Emory with Team Paul Mitchell and Century Martial Arts, and I'm going to be covering the finger roll. All right, I love doing finger rolls in my form. I think it's a great transition to put in between some of your releases in your form, and it makes it look a lot flashier. All right, here's some tips for the finger roll. First off, you want to start by finding your balance point on your comma. That's going to be where you can balance your comma on your pointer finger just like this. The next step, which is the most important step that a lot of people miss, is putting your thumb on the other end of the comma just like that. All right, a lot of people don't use your thumb, and it'll help a lot as you push off for that finger roll to make it go all the way around. The next step is to put your whole hand on the comma, and then we have 3 steps from there. First step, you're gonna flick your wrist back, keeping your thumb on the other side. You're gonna flick back, it's going to spin over your finger, just like this. Your finger will be spread out while all your other fingers are gonna be forward. The comma will spin all the way around. Third step is to catch. All right, so from here, flick back, spin it around, and catch just like that. Here's a combo with some finger rolls, just like this.